Not good. Not good at all. How are we gonna get that off?
By not putting it on? I don't know. Denatured? Acetone? Acetone.
Acetone will eat everything.
Acetone gets the stuff off though.
Okay. I'm really surprised, Andrew, how not rusty these are.
It's not bad out in the middle.
Only
as it approaches the walls does it get a little...
Yeah, it gets definitely flaky by the walls, but really, truly, it's not as bad as I thought. I'll take it.
Here's the thunder.
Just like every project, it rains at the most inconvenient time. We carefully picked today for its 100%
Chance of no rain.
chance of no rain. I have put little pieces of 3M aluminum tape on some of the holes in the belly skin, and the point isn't to seal it so it doesn't have to be particularly awesome. What I am trying to do is hold in the spray foam that I plan to fill between the spars with, making cleanup in the belly much easier. So I figured, me paint. I figured I already have that, and I might as well use it to fill the gaps so that the spray foam doesn't ooze all the way through. The awesome thing about the rain, it's much cooler, but this won't dry as quickly. I really like to get the spray foam in if I can.
Some more thoughts on this paint?
Well, this is kind of chunky, this Rust-Oleum stuff, which is fine for this application, but I might need to do a better job putting the lid on the paint from now on, especially in this kind of heat.
Yeah, yep.
Because this is the perfect application for this, and I'm not going to waste paint, but I made a mistake for sure not sealing it correctly last time, and then it was 100 degrees plus and right down. That's aggravating. I don't know. I don't know if people find this stuff interesting. I know there's a couple, but
For me, I like to understand how things are made, and to see them torn apart.
it's definitely informative. But we're
There's that thunder again.
We're project people. We do a lot of different kinds of projects, but for the last 20 years or so, everyone's been like, oh, you should have one of those DIY shows or a YouTube channel. We finally made a YouTube channel, but I'm not sure people are interested.
Maybe. Different things interest different people.
I suppose. I've done one coat, and I've had to switch paints halfway through because I ran out of the really chunky, thick matte, and I've gone with the Rust-Oleum satin that I had kicking around. And I think I'm going to need to do a second coat, which is fine, and really touch up where I've missed. And toughest areas. It's a little bit slap and dash, but kind of in a hurry today. That's it.
Any thoughts on your current situation?
Well, it's in my hair, and my hands are sticky, and I'm trying to swat bugs away. And it's definitely on my shoe. And I don't really, it's a lot. God, not good. Not good at all. How are we gonna get that off?
By not putting it on? I don't know. Denatured? Acetone? Acetone.
Acetone will eat everything.
Acetone gets the stuff off though. I don't know that we actually have any nail polish remover.
We have nail polish remover.
Okay, so I'm using hand sanitizer because we don't have an acetone compound. I realize that. I've got pretty much everything back here.
Yeah, it got in my, like, where the sound comes. But I think it's gonna do what I want it to do, even though it's awful to use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. It really helps our channel.